Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok's privacy setting. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, open TikTok and click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen, and then click on where setting and privacy. Over here you can see the privacy setting, click on it. And for some reason, if you don't see the privacy setting, make sure you update your TikTok, because sometimes not updating your TikTok causes this problem. And even after updating your TikTok, if you still don't see these options, then try to search carefully, because it might be a bit down or up. Alright, if you still don't see it, click on report a problem, click on the top right icon over here, click on it again, and over here you want to write your problems. Over here you want to write, my privacy setting is not visible, or like, my privacy setting is not working properly, can you help me fix it? You can write that, click on submit, and it's going to be submitted. TikTok staff will view it and help you fix your problem. But if you see the privacy option, just click on it. If you turn on your private account, your account will be private. If you turn off your activity status, nobody's going to know when you're online or offline. And just like this over here, you can see the comment mention. You can turn on your comment or turn off your comment. You can turn on off your mentions and tags. You can play around with all these settings, alright? Because if I go into detail one by one, this video is going to be 1 hour long. But yeah, that's how we guys can fix your TikTok's privacy setting. Hope you understand. Hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.